Yo, what's up everyone, it's Kay. By 2025, experts are predicting that 40% of jobs will be driven by AI. But here's the thing, this isn't some dystopian future where robots take over. This is about opportunity. We're talking about using AI not to replace us, but to our income potential. So buckle up because we're about to break down 7 AI tools that can help you get ahead of the curve and boost your income in 2025. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are already saturated, right? Tons of competition, making it tough to stand out and even tougher to land those high-paying gigs. But what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? Imagine an AI that scours these platforms, not just for any gig, but for the ones that perfectly match your skills, experience, and AI can help you craft the perfect pitch, optimize your profile for maximum visibility, and even analyze your competitors to give you an edge. So you spend less time searching and more time earning. Next up is something I'm incredibly hyped about, no-code AI app builders. Now I know what you're thinking, building an app? I'm not a developer, and you know what? That's totally fine, because with these tools, you don't need to be. We're talking about platforms like Bubble that let you build powerful web applications using a simple drag-and-drop interface. And the best part? You can monetize these apps with subscriptions, one-time purchases, or even use them to offer premium services to clients. Let's face it, content is king in the digital age. But creating high-quality content takes time, effort, and let's be real, a whole lot of creativity. But what if you could automate the entire process? That's where AI-powered content agencies come in. Imagine using ChatGPT to generate engaging blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts in seconds. Then take it a step further and use Canva's AI-powered design tools to create stunning visuals that grab attention. We're not just talking about saving time here, we're talking about building a scalable business. Now let's talk about something a little more volatile. The stock and crypto markets. They can be incredibly lucrative, but also incredibly risky. But what if you had an AI advisor in your corner, analyzing market trends and giving you real-time insights? Platforms like TradingView are already integrating AI-powered tools that can analyze historical data, identify patterns, and even predict future price movements with surprising accuracy. It's like having a team of analysts working for you 24/7, helping you make smarter, more informed investment decisions. Next up, let's talk about something that hits close to home for a lot of us, our careers. Navigating the professional world can be daunting, especially with the rapid changes in job markets and industries. The job market is more competitive than ever, and finding the right path can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. The stress of job searching can be overwhelming, leaving many feeling lost and unsure of their next steps. But what if you had a personalized career coach in your pocket? Imagine having access to expert advice and resources anytime, anywhere. That's where platforms like careerflow.ai come in. These innovative tools are designed to guide you through every step of your career journey. These AI-powered tools analyze your skills, experience, and career goals, then provide you with a tailored roadmap for success. They take the guesswork out of career planning. We're talking about getting personalized job recommendations, interview prep materials, and even salary negotiation tips, all tailored to your unique profile. This means you can focus on what you do best while the app handles the rest. It's like having a career counselor, resume writer, and interview coach all rolled into one powerful app. With such a comprehensive tool at your disposal, you can confidently take the next step in your career. Now let's step into the future, shall we? Imagine a world where digital creation is not just a niche but a mainstream activity. The metaverse is rapidly evolving, and with it comes a whole new world of income-generating opportunities. From virtual real estate to digital fashion, the possibilities are expanding every day. And no, you don't need to be a tech whiz to capitalize on it. User-friendly platforms make it accessible for everyone, regardless of their technical background. Imagine using AI-powered tools like Midjourney to create stunning NFT artwork in literally seconds. These tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Then take those creations and sell them on platforms like OpenSea, tapping into a global market of digital art collectors. The reach is unprecedented. You can use AI to design virtual clothing, create interactive experiences, and even build entire virtual worlds. The creative potential is limitless, the possibilities are literally endless, and the best part? You don't need a massive budget to get started. The barrier to entry has never been lower. With affordable tools and resources, anyone can dive into the world of digital creation and start making an impact. Finally, let's bring it back to the real world for a minute. Running a local business is tough. You're constantly juggling a million things, and customer service can eat up a ton of your time. But what if you could clone yourself, or at least your voice? That's where AI-powered voice cloning comes in. Platforms like 11 Labs allow you to create incredibly realistic voice clones that can answer calls, schedule appointments, and even provide personalized recommendations to your customers. It's like having a 24/7 virtual assistant, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, running your business. So, there you have it. 7 AI tools that can help you boost your income in 2025 and beyond. These tools are not just for tech enthusiasts or professionals, they are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or expertise. The key takeaway here is that you don't need to be a tech genius to leverage the power of AI. With a bit of curiosity and willingness to learn, you can start integrating these tools into your daily routine and see significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. These tools are becoming more accessible every day, and the sooner you start experimenting with them, the sooner you can start reaping the rewards. Imagine automating mundane tasks, gaining insights from data, and even creating content with ease. Pro tip: don't be afraid to combine these tools for even more powerful results. By integrating multiple AI tools, you can create a seamless workflow that maximizes your output and minimizes your effort. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of AI and discover the most lucrative skills for 2025, then smash that subscribe button, because in part 2, we're going to explore the skills you need to master to thrive in the age of AI. We'll cover everything from advanced AI techniques to practical applications that can give you a competitive edge. See you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities that AI has to offer.